is going to make it totally exciting and totally mastani Bandujane.
True that, Bandujan. Of course, let me tell you, आज का topic है Bandujan. It's going to be very interesting. Today, actually, listen to our show because we're going to start off with our Health 360, which are with Dr. Anish Sinha for sure, right, Faltwani?
Yeah.
And we're going to get him on air right now. We're going to talk to him about our health, your health, my health, everybody's health. And then we're going to also get him to talk about how we can actually start leading a healthy life, right?
Right.
And साथ में after that, we're going to go into our segment, which is going to be the segment talking about our own actual show. It's going to be the show about technology, Bandujan. Yes. You wonder what technology, reporting technology right now, and not about that, but talking about technology used in our Indian cinema.
Technology used in Indian cinema.
Or rather, technology focused Indian cinema.
That is actually true, Altu Baba.
What?
You're so right.
I am always. So what happened?
No, because I was thinking to myself, you're...
I'm very intelligent. I know that. Thank you, Faltoni. Oh my God, finally you see the light. Day night Tandurust Thai Faltoni is very good. I'm very happy with that.
Oh my God.
What happened, Faltoni? What is one more realization
It is
you got?
not about you, man.
Then what, man?
I'm talking about the fact that, yes, technology has been disrupting our lives.
Disrupting our
Yeah,
life. Now,
it's
where
not
is disrupt-
necessary. Yeah, because think about
I
it.
have a beautiful...
Think about it. Do you not feel like completely... There are people who feel crippled without the internet.
Huh?
Yeah, in this day and age of distance learning and remote commuting and everything, the moment your internet goes off, and there's an AT&T or a Comcast outage, tuchang, that's it.
What is
People are
Tujang? Are you talking about those North Koreans being...
No, you know what I mean.
I don't know what Tujang means.
No, people, actually, kids go crazy. They get like berserk. They don't know what to do with themselves.
Wow, that's true. In fact, even Trump also, sometimes I feel like what will happen if he didn't have a Twitter account of his. If we didn't have his Twitter account, I don't know what he's going to do.
That's true.
Hey, I really want to know, when Obama came to office, right, they asked him not to use the BlackBerry. They asked him to use a different kind of phone.
Correct.
What happened with this guy? I've never seen a phone in his hand. Have you seen that?
No. Even Obama, you've not seen a phone in his hand.
Yeah, I've seen a phone in his hand, yes.
Yeah?
BlackBerry, yes.
Really?
Yeah, he made sure he actually opened up the BlackBerry for the White House, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, he was a BlackBerry user. But he did not tweet like how this guy tweeted.
No. You actually don't want to tweet like that.
Yeah, I know. It'll be too much of a stressor.
Yeah, this guy is like, I think he thinks that his connection to, there are people who are connected to him via Twitter. Who cares?
Hey, but he's spending
It
a lot of
doesn't
money on YouTube right now. I'm seeing an ad right now, which says vote for his excellency.
Vote for his... Who, man?
Supreme Leader.
Sultan Qaboos has already passed away, no?
No, I'm talking about our Supreme Leader here.
Ugh.
What a...
Okay, Alta Baba, stop. Don't talk about that. Let's go on and let's talk about what we're going to do today. And also, let's talk about the upcoming segment that's going to be coming up.
All right. So, first of all, Faltani, how about we go into a song break?
Okay.
Then we'll get to the segment and then come back and talk more about what the song was all about.
Well, yeah. So, we're going to talk about technology.
Yes, okay.
And we're going to talk about how extensively technology has started to pervade our lives.
Actually, Faltani, technology has always been in our rag. We always have used biotech in our yesteryears and all.
हाँ.
Yeah.
भगवान का नाम लेके शुरू करें?
No, भगवान का नाम लेके शुरू करेंगे. What are you going to do? Acha, that way. Okay, fine. I was going to talk about the fact that we have used technology in terms of messaging technology for quite some time. मेघ संदेश, तेरे मालूम है?
मेघ संदेश.
हाँ, मेघदूत.
वो technology
We
थोड़ा
used
होता है.
cloud that time. Yes.
That is not technology.
Hello, it's biotech. Like for instance, Salman Khan and Bhageshri's movie song is there, no? Send a message through biotechnology.
That is not technology.
What? They put it into the stomach of a kabutar and send it out.
It's not stomach of a kabutar. Oh my
What
God.
is-
So what, the kabutar will take a,
What? What is saying? Say that.
take
no?
a-
Let's see if we can say it on air. Yeah.
Beep.
Yeah, what?
and then that will come out
It
through
was
that,
on
is it?
stuck on the stomach of the kabutar. The legs is tied
No,
up.
it's tied to the legs, the feet,
That's still
the
technology,
claws.
Faltoni. Sending a message that also is like, interesting way of sending things. Technology ko misunderstand mat kar.
वो
In fact,
technology नहीं है.
why?
Technology is what is man-made, रे Altuba. भगवान made नहीं.
Exactly right. Faltoni, that was Bhagwan made. No, and also that particular note written on Bhagwan made. Idea of tying it to the kabutar also Bhagwan made only.
No.
Then?
I don't think that's actually... Okay, whatever, man.
Okay,
If you
fine.
think so,
Faltoni.
लगा,
भगवान का
लगा.
नाम तू एक काम कर मेरे को लगा है तेरे को लगाना पड़ेगा तो लगा.
क्या लगाना पड़ेगा?
Dial. Whatever song you want to sing, you can actually, you want to listen to, make a bandhu listen to, you can play that right now. No problem.
Okay, एक गाना है बंजान जो हम लोग टोटल भगवान का नाम लेके शुरू करने वाले हैं.
वाह, जय हो.
ये गाना बंजान is completely discussing what exactly technology is and how we use technology to communicate with the Lord as well. That's right. And Navratri ka season hai, chalu ho gaya on Saturday. So this would be the best time to be singing, Jai Mata Di and connecting with Mata via technology. That is the extent of pervasion that technology has gotten into our lives right now.
जय हो
ठीक है, तो सुनिए अमरजान ये गाना आपके लिसनिंग प्लेजर के लिए. इसके तुरंत बाद हम लोग आएंगे डॉक्टर रनीश सिन्हा के साथ राइट हियर ऑन रेडियो डे हॉरीज वेयर
सॉन्ग का नाम है माता का ईमेल.
माता का ईमेल. पे अटेंशन अमरजान. टेक्नोलॉजी टू कम्युनिकेट विद गॉड एज वेल.
कल रात माता का मुझे ईमेल आया है. कल रात माता का मुझे ईमेल आया है. माता ने मुझको फेसबुक पे बुलाया है. कल रात माता का मुझे ईमेल आया है. कल रात माता का मुझे ईमेल आया है. चैटिंग करेंगे माता से फोटो शेयर करेंगे. चैटिंग करेंगे माता से फोटो शेयर करेंगे. प्रोफाइल पिक्चर में माता ने शेर लगाया है. कल रात माता का मुझे ईमेल आया है.
And of course, Bajan, right now it's time for us to get into our segment with Dr. Ranish Sinha, who already is here with us on air right now. Bajan, hi Dr. Sinha, how are we doing?
Good, how are you guys?
Can we hear you? Yes, we can. Hello?
No, we can't.
We're not able to hear him?
We're not able to get
okay.
Dr.
There, I can hear
there
him.
you go.
I can hear you.
Can you hear me okay now?
Yes.
Much better. There you go. Can you say something again, Dr. Sinha? I think I heard you. Are you able to hear us? The question, are you able to hear us?
Yeah, hi. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, you're loud and clear. We can hear you now.
Oh, okay. Your voice is breaking up a little bit for me.
Oh, okay. Can you see us?
I can see you loud and clear, yep.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So we can
I just can't hear you loud and clear, yeah.
There you go. Now we can hear you very clearly also. Wonderful. So we're good. Hey, they have connection. Used to be connected.
Are you able to hear us right now, Dr. Sinha? Can you hear us now?
No, I wonder if we should maybe migrate to the good old-fashioned telephone. Maybe that'll be more clear.
Oh, really? Okay. Sure, we can do that also if you want it. Let's do this. Let me just... well, actually, we can hear you clearly, Dr. Sinha. We can hear you.
Okay, let's do it. You
Yeah.
just got more clear too, so let's give it a try.
There you go. We will be fine. So you might want to step back a little bit because you're too close to the camera. There you go. That's much better. Yes, that's the...
I was getting close to the mic. Okay,
we get to
let's
see the
go for it.
wonderful office of Dr. Doctor also, by the way. Everybody out there listening to us and watching us right now live on Facebook. We're live on Facebook on facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties Banjan. And yes, we are in conversation with Dr. Ranish Sinha from Sutter Health, Palo Alto Mental Foundation, formerly known as PAMF. And every Tuesday we come here talking to you guys about our health, which is very important. Everybody focuses on these things. And yes, Faltwani, do you have any thing you want to start off with today?
Yeah, actually, Dr. Sinha, when we spoke the last time, we talked about a very important topic, which was intermittent fasting. So I wanted to, see if I know that we decided that we'll continue on this particular topic this week as well. So for the benefit of bandhus who may not be familiar with what we're talking about, Dr. Sinha, do you want to give us a quick recap?
Sure. Yeah, intermittent fasting we've talked about before. It's always been a very popular topic, but it got even more popular after a study was published by UCSF that basically said that intermittent fasting, a specific form called time-restricted eating, which is very popular, they found it to be no more effective than people just eating throughout the day during somewhat limited time. So they were basically saying that time-restricted eating really isn't as effective for weight loss. So the blog post that I did goes into details about why the study was flawed in several ways. It did have some important points, but definitely in our clinical practice, after doing this for years, we find that if people can if they can incorporate fasting at the right dose and frequency, which is actually very individualized for each person, they can see effective and very significant changes and improvements in their metabolic numbers and their weight as well too. So I thought we'd spend some time talking about some of those nuances today.
Wonderful. Of course, but if you have any questions to ask the doctor right now, you can give us a call here. Our number to dial is 408-912-2479. Again, 408-912-2479. The number is right here on the screen if you want to dial in. It's again 408-912-2479. If you have any questions regarding the topic was discussed right now, or for the matter, if you have any other question regarding your health, feel free to give us a call on 408-912-2479.
So, Dr. Sinha, last time we spoke, there was a caller that we got who asked a question on Facebook. Actually, they posted it. One of our bandhus posted a question with regard to, this intermittent fasting, which is in a time window of some 4 hours or something, where they eat only between these 4 hours. They eat one meal a day, and they pretty much are fasting the rest of the time. The person said that he was doing it for controlling. He's diabetic, type 2 diabetic, and wanted to know if that was, are there different types of fasting recommended for people who, for insulin regulation, or for that matter, for weight
Great
loss?
Point. So let's talk about that concept first. So this form of fasting we're talking about is called time-restricted eating, or TRE.
Okay.
So typically there's two numbers that designate it. So if we say 16:8, the first number is your fasting window where you're not eating, and sleep counts as part of that, thank goodness. And then the other part is the feasting window where you get to eat. So 16:8 means 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of feasting. Or let's say feeding, okay, because feasting might have different implications, especially for Altu.
Yeah.
Right? Right? So if you're doing so this is a 24, so 20 hours of fasting and a 4-hour feeding window. So that dosage, so think of fasting as medicine. So that's a more intensive dosage of fasting.
Correct.
And that can be effective for some people. But one thing I wanted to highlight from this study, which really is important, and this is I think one really important part of the study, which is consistent with my clinic, is a lot of people that fast too restrictively can lose muscle mass. And usually my bandhus who see me in the clinic that are fasting for only feeding for only 4-hour window, it's really tough to get all the protein and nutrients that you need within that tight window. One other disclaimer I wanted to add to rigorous fasting during this time is I would say that during this COVID-19 season, I'm actually eating more during my window than I did before, because I want to fortify the protein and essential nutrients in my diet to keep my immune system optimized. And I would encourage people to do that. So I'm definitely eating more plants. I'm eating more fruits than usual. But in order for that extra fruit sugar to not be stored as body fat and cause problems, I'm also staying physically active so my muscle can burn that. The last thing you want to do is eat more during that window, eat tons of fruits, and not be physically active. But I'm finding people that are really big fans of fasting, sometimes they get so hooked on it. We all are kind of competitive by nature. So all of a sudden my 16-8ers become 24s, and then they're bragging about doing full 2-3 day fasts. This is not a competition. You got to follow your body signals and make sure you're nourishing it properly.
Wow, 2-3 day fast?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Wow.
I cannot think of it also.
But Dr. Sinha, I wanted to ask you, the last time you talked about something called, the term eludes me, but I think it was about, phantom or the carb-induced hunger. Like you said, listen to your body. Sometimes your body starts to, I'm doing the 16-8 fast, right? So there are days that, like I mentioned to you, sometimes where I fall off the wagon, so to speak, which is like maybe one day a week is like a cheat day, so to speak, or where I don't get the entire 16 hours, I probably get 14 hours in. Is that a bad thing? Or is it something, when I do get these cravings from time to time where I'm really, really hungry, like at 10 a.m. in the morning, but I have to wait till 12 because my last meal was at 8 in the evening. So does that matter?
So good point. So one key point I want to make is hunger can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Hunger was created so we can survive in the wild, so we don't starve to death and our body gets the adequate nutrients. But in our modern world, before patients have seen me and they've made these changes, their hunger is driven by their addiction to food because they're eating foods that are very savory and sweet. So all of a sudden that brain signal is very aberrant. It's not giving us the right signals. So if you're in that situation, if you're eating very frequently, you're eating a lot of junk food snacks, a lot of haldirams, all this stuff, you've got to be very careful. You've got to clean that out first.
Yeah. Yes.
You've got to clean that out first and do the fasting for a couple of weeks. And then you're absolutely right. After a couple of weeks, the hunger signals that you're going to get are the more natural ones from your body. And that I do encourage people to listen to, because as much as I have a tendency to be more regimented, some mornings I wake up and I'm like, you know what, this is a day I need to have breakfast because I probably worked out too hard or I underfed myself the day before. And for my women in particular, I want them to really pay attention because women don't have as much literally metabolic cushion as men do. So men can get away with being a little bit extreme for a couple of days, and maybe that's okay. But for women, that sends a very strong biological signal to store more fat, actually, to protect, pregnancy, lactation, etc. So women, if anything, need to be very gentle with the way they do this. And a lot of times I have husband and wives doing it, right? And sometimes spouses can be very competitive with each other.
Yeah.
And the wife will see the husband doing 16.8 or 18.6 and they're losing weight and they feel like they have to do the same thing. But sometimes the woman does have to have a less intensive fasting dosage. They have to nourish their body with better foods and focus on the bigger elements of stress and sleep, which are huge problems, with weight gain in women.
And of course, we're conversing with Dr. Rani Sinha from Sata Health, and this is the Health 360 segment comes to you every Tuesday, right here, talking to you about your health, our health, South Asian health in general. So definitely, if you have any questions, you can give us a call here on 408-912-2479, 408-912-2479. We're also live on Facebook right now, facebook.com/Radio DHotties. So if you're driving right now and you missed out something which Dr. Sinha talked about right now, just always go back to our Facebook page and you can listen to the video on demand for sure. It's again, Facebook page, facebook.com/Radio DHotties.
Okay, I'm getting a message from Suhana on Facebook, Dr. Sinha, and she says she has been doing this 16/8 fasting, and she's been trying to do it for weight loss, but she really hasn't seen much going on with regard to, she's been doing it for a month and a half. And she's saying she hasn't seen much loss in weight, but she says her energy levels are better. So how do you, if you have to combine weight loss, her question is, what is there like a prescription of the right amount of exercise? How much exercise should she be doing with regard to this? So
yeah, the exercise is a really key thing. So the lucky ones, if they just do intermittent fasting, they'll lose substantial weight. And unfortunately, typically that meant to be men more than women. But I do see some patients that get very modest weight loss or not much at all. And that to me is a sign that the mitochondria, which are the power generating units inside our cells, especially our muscle, they're not burning fat effectively. And the only way you can rev up that engine is by doing more sustained aerobic training. Now, we've talked about this before. This is really important. Aerobic training means finding the sweet spot, not overdoing the intensity, but staying in a zone where you can breathe relatively comfortably, maybe a little bit heavy, but not huffing and puffing. If we can do that for a minimum of 30 minutes, 4 to 5 days a week, and then in addition to that, when you're working, like right now, I'm standing, right? So in a lot of my meetings, I'm standing, I'm sitting, I'm fidgeting, I'm going out and in, but not staying rock sedentary. If you can combine kind of this exercise snacking, as I call it, where you're snacking on movement throughout the day, and you do those aerobic sessions, combined with the fasting, we tend to do well. The other thing for women in particular, I find, is during their feeding window, they're not eating the right type of diet. It's all dal, rice, chapati, and maybe a small sabji. So they're not getting enough protein. They're not getting enough nutrients. So if your feeding window is not balanced, your overall metabolism is going to slow down. You're going to lose a little bit of fat maybe, but you're going to lose muscle. And that's your worst enemy, because now the minute you go back to normal eating, you have a Saturday night, let's say, whatever you order out, everything's going to gain back again. So those are some key things to really keep track of.
So, wow. Dr. I had a question for you. For people who actually might be doing this, like not eating right, what are some symptoms which you can talk about? You said muscle loss, but how would you know? Is it the physical loss of muscle, or is there some other signs like fatigue, or could you share something on that?
Good point. Fatigue is one of them, but you're not, the interesting thing is this muscle loss, you're not going to visibly see it until it's really advanced. So unless you're exercising regularly and measuring your progress, you're not going to know. So for example, if you know that generally you can do this many squats with your free body, or using this weights, or you can do this many push-ups, and you start to see that those numbers are starting to go down, that's a significant sign that you're losing muscle mass. So one of the case studies I actually put in the blog post was a 68-year-old South Asian Indian gentleman who was exercising vigorously before COVID, but because of all the fears, obviously he stopped going to the gym and he just was watching a lot of TV, was pretty sedentary, but just did evening walks. And when I motivated him to get back and exercise, he was absolutely shocked by the fact that he could barely do what he could do before. He lost so much muscle. And after age 50 or 60, you get an accelerated muscle loss. So we have to be careful for ourselves. And I'm always keeping track of my mom when I go to visit her in Central California. I watch her leg strength. When we walk together, I can tell if she's slowed down with her walking. Those are all signs that the muscles are getting weaker. So unless we quantify it and measure it, just like everything else in life, we may not be aware of the losses, the significant losses that we're having.
Right. I have a question from Ravi, and he says he's vegetarian and he wants to know that, he's not overweight or anything, but he just wants to know, he's 48. Okay. I didn't know. He gave us age out, and he wants to know how exactly can he ensure he doesn't have enough muscle mass. So he's trying to find out what's the best protein that he should be eating, or what do you recommend if he were to should be. Oh, that's another thing I wanted to ask you, Dr. Sinha, kind of piggybacking on what Ravi is asking. If somebody is relatively healthy, is the ideal, whatever you call BMI, and their numbers are, on the healthy range, then should they be considering intermittent fasting?
So first of all, really key point is 90+% of the South Asians that I see in the clinic, let's focus on men who think their normal weight are actually abnormal body composition. So throw weight and body mass index out the window, because most of my South Asian patients, especially men, are storing a lot of hidden fat in their liver and their organs. And that's the fat that's going to cause a lot of damage. So I would question anybody who thinks that they're at a normal weight unless they're really lean and doing a lot of physical activity and exercise, which is more the rare exception. So waistline, waist circumference, those are better measurements. And then looking at your lab tests, if you've got high triglycerides, if your liver function tests are elevated, those are signs that you're storing extra body fat. So I'd be very wary about those. But one other point I wanted to bring up based on the question is many of my patients that are lacking muscle, their automatic answer is I need to eat more protein. But remember, protein is a minor element. You have to stimulate the muscles with exercise. If you want to build strength, 80% of it is lifting and tiring out the muscles. You're not going to just eat high protein and sit in front of the computer and expect muscles to grow like grass. It's not going to happen. And if anything, if you're consuming more protein than what your muscles need, you're going to cause actual hormones to develop in the body that can actually stimulate diabetes and cancer growth. So this is a basic rule about the body is when you give it more than what it needs, whether it's carbs or protein, then bad things can happen over a long period of time. So prioritize the weight training, the resistance training, along with the protein intake simultaneously. Don't just, today I saw a patient for the first time drinking 2 to 3 protein shakes a day while sitting in Zoom meetings all day. That's a recipe for disaster. He's having the amount of protein that a bodybuilder would take, but not doing the work, right? You got to do the physical labor.
Right. And I hope that answered your question, Ravi. Dr. Sinha has done a blog post about this as well. You can go to his blog, southasianhealthsolution.org. Or if you want to schedule an appointment, you can go to pamf.org/SouthAsian and schedule an appointment with Dr. Sinha. We do have a question that just came in. Do we have time for it, Altababa, or should we refer them to Dr.
Sure, yeah, we can actually go online on it, yeah.
Well, so we are going to be transitioning out of the radio into the top of the hour, Bandhujan, and we'll be back in the next hour. But the ones who are watching us and listening to us, Vishalji, I'm assuming you're listening on the app, and also, or you can transition to the app to listen to this particular portion of this of the show. He is asking, Dr. Sinha, how do we build muscle mass? And I was going to ask you the same question. If somebody who hasn't been considering that gyms are now just beginning to reopen, what are some things that people can do? Do you have like a blog post which talks about, lunges or squats?
Yes.
Or
So if you, two quick blog posts right at the end of the show. The first one, just because so many questions on protein, just put protein into the search window. You'll have vegetarian protein options, how much you should take. Second thing is put exercise. I have a very popular 2-part series. The first one's focused on aerobic. The second one is strength training using body weight. So always start off with sound body weight mechanics. Make sure your posture is really good. And then as squats become effortless and lunges become effortless, use resistance bands or weights. I used to use a lot of weights before, but I'm falling in love with my resistance bands because you can do a lot of good things with resistance bands without injuring yourself. So some combination of both is great. And they're so affordable, and you can do, use them at home, wherever. But start with those and go from there. And there's also great weight training apps, YouTube videos, all types of great resources you can use to help you.
And this is on your blog, Dr. Sinha?
Yeah. So a lot of these resources are basically on that blog post. I'm going to expand it too. So one last plug. I've had a lot of patients that are taking a course called Barbell Medicine. It's actually put up by 2 doctors, and I've had some South Asians have tremendous results with that. So check out the Barbell Medicine program. I'll put in a plug for it because I am seeing patients have some great results with that.
Okay, great. So again, I hope that answered your question, Vishalji, and thank you so much, Dr. Sinha, for staying on and answering that question as well. We'll look forward to talking to you and learning more from you in a couple of weeks on the show. In the meanwhile, have a healthy, safe, happy rest of the week.
Same to both of you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. And of course, that was Dr. Ronnie Sinha from the Palo Alto Medical Foundation, Bindajan, that's part of the Sada Health Group. And if you want to get more information about what he discussed today, you can go to his blog, southasianhealthsolution.org. We'll be back in about 3 minutes. Don't go anywhere. Keep it right here on Radio Dihadis because we will be continuing Technical Tuesdays right here on the Pam Pam Show.
आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक फिट हो गई आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई हमने तो कार में पैम पैम शो ट्यून किया घर में भी टीवी पे पैम पैम को देख लिया हमने तो कार में पैम पैम शो ट्यून किया घर में भी टीवी पे पैम पैम को देख लिया फेसबुक लाइव को टीवी पे स्ट्रीम किया आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक फिट हो गई आलतू फालतू व्हाट फन हम भी बंधु बन गए महिमा की पैम पैम के हम तो फैन हो गए आलतू फालतू व्हाट फन हम भी बंधु बन गए महिमा की पैम पैम के हम तो फैन हो गए डिहॉटिस की रेडियो के सारे बंधु बन गए आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक फिट हो गई सिग्नल का झोल नहीं, ऐप डाउनलोड करके सुन डिहॉटिस की मस्ती को मिस न करना बंधुजन। सिग्नल का झोल नहीं, ऐप डाउनलोड करके सुन डिहॉटिस की मस्ती को मिस न करना बंधुजन। जो आलतू फालतू संग हो फन ही फन बंधुजन। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर। आलतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर। आलतू फालतू की ये नोक झोंक हिट हो गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर। आलतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई।
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations. The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bye-bye.
नमस्कार.
Namaste.
नमस्कार.
Vanakkam.
खुश आमदीद.
Assalamu alaikum.
सत श्री अकाल.
Meekandriki vandanam.
जय स्वामी नारायण.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जिनेंद्र.
हमारे इस्मानी भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं याली मिदा.
मोराली मतलब बोलते हुए सारे फीजे बंदों को बोलेंगे नीसा बोला बटुजन. हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे. मैं से फालतू बाबा.
And of course, myself, फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो. Totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बतुजाने.
True the बटुजन. Of course, आज का Technical Tuesdays. Right, फालतू रानी?
हाँ.
Technical Tuesdays is what the show is about, Badajan. Technical Tuesdays.
Technical
Now, you might
Tuesdays.
wonder, what do you mean Technical Tuesdays?
Yeah. What does it mean, Altu Baba? Please tell.
Faltwani, first of all, tell me, is it Technical Tuesdays or Technical Tuesdays or what is this?
What, man?
Is it Technique, as in TACHINIQI, whatever you're talking, what is the thing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Faltwani? Why are you actually...
I try to do something, Altu Baba.
बलजा देखो शो के टाइम पे देखो क्या क्या करती है.
बना कोई QR कोड स्कैन कर रही थी आलतू बाबा ताकि हमें भी वो QR कोड अपलोड होते ही तेरे दिमाग में वो सभी गाने अपलोड हो जाए जो मैं सोच रही थी.
Is it तकनीकी और टेक्निकी?
Technical.
Technical Tuesdays, right? Why do you
Technical Tuesdays or तकनीकी.
Oh my God! Why do you have to complicate things, Faltwani?
Technical Tuesdays, yes, fine. Technology Tuesdays.
What?
Technology.
Again, you changed the thing right now.
Yeah, technical नहीं. Technology Tuesdays. तो आज हम लोग बात करें बनुजान. मेरा पिछला गाना भी इसने काट दिया. 5 मिनट का गाना नहीं 3 मिनट का गाना था. 1.5 मिनट भी नहीं लगाया.
अच्छा fine, पूरा लगा दे. I don't mind. But I'm going to tell you one thing, Bनुजान. Why we actually came with today's topic?
Yeah.
Right? कहने के लिए हमारा देसी जो है ना.
हाँ.
We actually are supposedly IET stands for Indian Technology.
Correct.
Okay.
Eh?
Yeah, IT.
Huh.
Well, everybody over here is IT, right? And people generally think that we all are IT fellows, right? My question to you is, but the most popular culture of ours does not talk about any kind of technical things.
Huh?
Have you noticed it?
Which one, man?
Yeah, none of our movies actually talk about the heroes being technically sound. Not many movies, at least.
They'll just show the hero with a laptop.
They'll be hopeless romantics mostly.
Yeah.
Giving up everything in the world and going after girls.
Yeah.
Right? Or, actually 80s, before they came out of college.
Or they'll be like these hackers who'll just like, they'll show them.
No, not everybody is a hacker.
Yeah.
They show hackers as geeks. And heroes are not geeks, is what they say. So always show the hero as a jock in Indian cinema. So we are trying to identify how Indian cinema has actually, has it any influence or has it anything as a glimpse of technicality in it? Right, for our Indian population. Like Father played a song in the previous hour which actually talked about how much of technology is coming to our songs also. यहाँ तक कि एक भक्ति गान में भी उसने लगा दिया. कल रात माता का email आया था, right?
हाँ.
But I'll tell you what, Falguni, the biggest base of users,
हाँ.
even for a Chinese-made product called TikTok,
हाँ.
India is a big base.
I
You
know.
Right? 800 million subscribers, something they have in, that, in India itself. So it's like a huge number. But they don't talk about those things in Indian movies. Why? सोचने वाली बात है बेटा. Have they talked about WhatsApp? Okay, here's the thing. How about one particular thing? A very popular thing which everybody uses. All uncles and aunties, Indian uncles and aunties will use this thing called WhatsApp. Children don't get a WhatsApp because uncles and aunties use it. Right? Now tell me one song which has reference to WhatsApp, Falguni. It's a popular culture thing, right? But there's no placement of WhatsApp in any of the songs. देखते हैं अगर आप if you can think of a song which actually has that word WhatsApp in it. No, I'm not trying to make an ad for Facebook or Zuckerberg right now.
Right.
Simple. Can you call right now and tell me any song which actually so much of users are using WhatsApp right now. So many users are using WhatsApp right now. But are there any Hindi songs which have used, have at least shown that this particular popular norm is there in the culture to use WhatsApps? I don't know. Tell me.
That's true actually, Banajan. आपको कॉल करना है. स्टूडियो का नंबर है 408-912-2479. Again, 408-912-2479. And you have to tell us कि कौन सी गाने में WhatsApp शब्द का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. एक गाना है इस गाने में है ना WhatsApp?
Of course है Falguni. लेकिन मैं चेक कर कि बंधु लोग because I won't ask empty questions Falguni. You know me, right? I'm always prepared that way, unlike you. But the point is, okay, I give you a reason for you to better yourself, right? Yeah, always the case. Thank you, Falguni. But the thing is, देखो finally मान गई.
What? You're taking advantage of the fact that I am using technology and I'm updating our status.
So you're saying technology distracts you? Huh? Oh, really?
It kind of is distracting.
Then why do you think? So, you know what, Falguni, very interestingly.
Actually, even radio is technology, na? Altu?
It is.
Radio is also technology.
Yes.
TV is also technology.
Yes, but first of all, WhatsApp बोल के गाना एक ऐप है. ऐप फोन पे आता है. हर किसी के पास एक स्मार्टफोन है, WhatsApp डेफिनेटली रहेगा. आजकल तो फोन नंबर नहीं, WhatsApp नंबर बोलते हैं सब लोग. Right? You got to tell me a song which actually has WhatsApp mentioned in it. नमस्कार, आपका हर स्वागत है टेक्निकल ट्यूजडेज में. Who's this? Hello. पापा विशाल जी कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत बढ़िया.
तो क्वेश्चन आपको हाँ
तो गाना था वो है सॉरी गलत लिरिक्स निकल आई. मैं ढूंढ रहा. नहीं वो गाना है.
I'm listening.
It's a breakup song और उसमें वो उसके पार्लर गई एंड फ्रेंड्स को व्हाट्सएप कर दिया.
Not bad.
तो उसको व्हाट्सएप कर दिया.
Yes.
अरे.
Yes. Right. No, I'll take the answer. I don't. If you wanted to sing, you can sing. But anyway, it's fine. Very good. I totally am. I know for it on this. But you also let me guess.
अंग्रेजी चिड़िया की
एक मिनट.
देसी दिल मेरा तोड़ दिया. मैंने छोड़ दिया.
इसका गाने कीड़ा निकल गया.
जिनसे मिलना पाई उनको व्हाट्सएप कर लिया.
तो बाद में I want to ask you.
से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया.
Very good. तो आप हमें ऐसे बताओ, एक और गाना बताओ जहाँ पे टेक्नोलॉजी कॉल्ड रेडियो इस्तेमाल किया गया है.
वो तो रेडियो तो बहुत यूज किया गया है. मन का रेडियो बजने दे जरा. और एक गाना था रेडियो वाला ट्यूबलाइट में.
कौन सा वाला? बोलो. वो आप पे बचता है काफी.
अरे वो मैंने सुना हुआ था.
Yes. बजाओ. Okay, fine. Doesn't matter. आपका फर्स्ट आंसर हम बहुत खुश थे, अति प्रसन्न थे हम लोग. तो आप जाके फेसबुक डाल दीजिएगा प्लीज. ठीक है.
मेरा फोन आने से पहले आप लोग खुश थे.
नहीं आपका आंसर सुन के हम बहुत प्रसन्न हुए.
अच्छा. मैंने कहा मेरा फोन आने से पहले आप ज्यादा खुश थे.
हम तो नहीं. आपका फोन आने के बाद ज्यादा खुश हो गए हम लोग.
वो हो ही नहीं सकता विशाल जी, जब आप कॉल करते हो और भी खुश होते थे.
अभी आप टिकटॉक की बात कर रहे थे. आई थिंक ये मूवी आई थी ना आयुष्मान खुराना की, जिसमें उसके बाल उड़ रहे थे.
बाला.
और उसमें जो लड़की यामी गौतम थी, आई थिंक शी वर्क फॉर टिकटॉक.
टिकटॉक मॉडल. लेकिन गाना नहीं था ना उसके ऊपर. There was no गाना on TikTok.
हाँ वो गाना ही था।
वो
गाना था क्या?
उसमें गाना था शायद टिकटॉक पे।
Oh, really? Interesting.
हाँ, let me search and find out and I'll call you back.
Call back for sure. And of course, Baljan, number to call you 408912247. We have one on the waiting line. Fatwani, namaskar. आपका हार्ट इस बात Technical Tuesdays में. Who's this? Hello.
Hello, Pam Pam.
Pam?
Hi. Who's this?
Hi, who's this?
Srinidhi.
You got it.
Oh my God, Altu Baba, you're amazing, dude.
Amazing.
I'm like, I can hear out anybody, not sniff out. I can hear out anybody. It's even disguise the thing also, by the way.
Ha.
Very good. So, good you call right now. So, I'm going to give you a technology. Hello.
Yeah, I heard your first question and then I don't know if somebody already gave an answer out.
Yeah, we got the answer for the WhatsApp song. WhatsApp in the song,
Yeah.
okay? How about TV? You know of any song which actually has TV in it? Television.
TV.
TV.
Envy. Plus pride. Come on, Srinidhi.
I'm thinking.
Come on, Srinidhi. Come on.
Answer.
TV. Okay, so the word TV should be in the song. Huh?
Not necessary. Okay, TV could be in the song also. I think there's one song actually, yes. Yeah.
There is a song which has TV in it.
Yeah. Very much. It's my dialogue be. Actually, there's not a song, but actually the hero actually does dialogue within the song. There's a hint for you.
Oh, really?
And he's on the TV.
He's on the TV. Oh, yeah. Where the TV, they're watching TV. And then the hero
Appears on the TV.
Yeah, the hero appears on the TV. Yeah. There is a song.
Oh, wait, are you talking about
I don't know.
this song? Does it start on TV? Dil Chahta Hai. No, does it start on TV?
No, it doesn't. But the hero gets on TV, man. He comes on TV in between the song.
Wait,
And the hero in channel surfs. I'm giving you more idea. The hero is channel surfing.
Yeah.
Hero in the channel surfing
And every
then hero
channel.
comes on
And every channel he's there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait. Oh my goodness.
He comes as a chef,
Okay.
and then he comes as a a weatherman, and then he comes as a pujari.
Yeah.
Then he comes as a a god.
Yeah.
Oh, is that Amir Khan?
I don't know.
Amir Khan in
Yeah, see how difficult it is, Pathwani. We're not able to think of any technology at all songs.
Gungunati hai ye hawaएं, is that song?
You can sing. Why don't you sing the song?
Yeah. Sing, no?
गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सावन, डूबी डूब पारंसा. Is that the one?
Yes, you're right. And उसमें जो आता है ना बीच में डायलॉग आता है ये वाला आता है.
आज हम आपको ढोकले के साथ साथ पुदीने की चटनी भी बनाना सिखाएंगे.
Yes, right. That's what actually. Yes. Thanks for the clue.
You're welcome. I try my best to make all our bandhus win. By the way, thank you. So hey, but I want to ask you, any movie you think has any proper representation of an IT personnel? Has any hero played the role of an IT personnel properly? I think it's
IT person.
like you, what do you do? I'm sure you're an IT professional, and everybody else out there. Yeah, majority of us, apart from me, everybody IT professional.
Ranbir Kapoor.
In he's a salesman. I know what you're talking about. He's a salesman in that though. Rocket Singh.
No, not Rocket Singh. I think this movie he's a engineer, right? Software engineer or something.
Which movie?
Deepika Padukone and Ranbir Singh. What is that?
Deepika Padukone, Ranveer Singh.
What is that? Tamasha?
Oh no, Tamasha. Yeah.
Is he? I don't think so.
Is he a software
No.
professional?
I don't think he's.
I thought he.
But
Yeah, but
Okay.
anyways, even
I don't know, I can't
if we say it's software professional, it actually shows that the guy's interest actually is not software, but something else.
Oh, really?
So no positive role model for us to be IT professionals, Faltrani.
Wow.
That's why I didn't become IT professional. You know that, Faltrani? There's no role model for me.
No, there's Hrithik Roshan, the man.
Which movie?
Hey, Hrithik Roshan is there, no? In Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Yeah, in that his whole idea was to what? Leave everything and go behind the
Yeah, that's true actually.
Yeah, I've been trying to find a motorbike
who was
buddy.
career oriented or who was an IT, I think.
Yeah, that's a Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan was there in that. But the thing is, Hrithik Roshan, that role of also, he was not happy in the role, in the money, the job he was doing actually.
In Karthik,
Correct,
what is he doing?
But that's because of his love life, that's all. But otherwise, I think he's successful. He's shown as successful with his
Hello, he was
job.
successful, but he only became successful in life after he gave up his job, no? No positive role model for IT professionals in Hindi cinema. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's my summary for today, Faltrani. Okay, he also agreed.
Wow, okay.
Hey, but anyway, thank you so much for calling us. And yes, if you don't come across any kind of a song, there's one particular movie where IT professional is there.
Okay. Which
You
movie?
know which movie?
Which movie?
Players.
Players.
Yeah.
They're hackers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Neelithan Mukesh is that's one thing I would love to become a hacker like Neelithan Mukesh.
Hey, investment bankers also use software, kuch bhi yaar.
Who said
whatever. Deepa is saying he's an investment banker. I was going to say he's a financial analyst, but then he used software, Deepa. So
Yeah.
let's
call them IT professionals.
Now we're becoming technical.
Yeah, technical.
Yeah.
Very good. But Srinidhi,
Deepa is going too deep.
yeah, Deepa, you're getting deeper and deeper.
Yeah.
Getting deeper.
Yeah, deeper. Well, thank you so much for calling us, Srinidhi. I'll play a nice song for you for sure. Right. Okay? Thank you so much, yaar.
Thank you so
and
much.
of course, you can give us a call here on 40891224 for Sardan. जब तक यहाँ पे आप कॉल कर ले WhatsApp के एक गाना सुन ले फालतू
लगा
this song I totally like. You know why, Faltoni?
Why?
इस गाने में ही they use technology, wireless technology for headphones. Have you heard of quiet discourse?
Huh? Yeah.
Quiet discourse?
Silent disco.
Whatever.
It's called silent disco.
Same difference.
अंग्रेजी चिड़िया की खातिर देसी दिल मेरा तोड़ दिया मैंने छोड़ दिया उसे छोड़ दिया उसकी काली करतूतों ने उसका भांडा फोड़ दिया मैंने छोड़ दिया उसे छोड़ दिया दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया ओ दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया
And this गाने में बलजान actually now WhatsApp कर दिया ना सब लोगों को. Exactly. And this particular song also has technology in it because silent disco like Faltoni talked about, right?
हाँ.
Quiet disco, silent disco.
Silent disco.
वही तो बोला मैंने ना.
वो भी टेक्नोलॉजी है.
Exactly.
ब्रेकअप कर लिया सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया.
You know, one thing people didn't talk about. Very famous movie came up. Not only about computer whatever field, right? Field of AI, artificial intelligence also is there in Indian cinema.
Oh yes.
Name one particular movie. They're not one movie. They're more than one movie actually about artificial intelligence. Give us a call and tell us one movie which actually is totally about artificial intelligence.
पार्लर में जाके शैम्पू जम कर किया कॉलेज की सहेलियों से कैचअप कर लिया अरे कॉलेज की सहेलियों से कैचअप कर लिया जिनको मिल ना पाए उनको व्हाट्सएप कर दिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया
Look, baby, मुझे लगता है कि जो भी तूने किया है वो वेरी वेरी राइट है भूतकाल को भूल जा अब तू आने वाला फ्यूचर वेरी वेरी ब्राइट है मैं हूं ना बेबी साथ तेरे पार्टी शादी होनी पूरी नाइट है माइंड न करना तो थोड़ा ज्यादा बोल दो क्योंकि बंदा वेरी वेरी टाइट है उसे फोन मिला और गाली दे फोटो जला के कर दे राख साले तेरी बाटियां
मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया
तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया
देखो, I talked about IT. I said IT में कोई reference नहीं है Indian cinema, but actually है. And I was wondering how come everybody is agreeing with me.
I know.
Even you, please. Even you. What?
तू ऐसे फेंक रहा है, तेरे दिमाग में भी आफ्टर थॉट क्यों रहा आया?
नहीं फालतू नहीं, मैं तो always
क्या है ना, मैं बताती हूँ. मैं इतनी इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, तेरे को लगा कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की जरूरत है.
गुड जोक. गुड पंचलाइन था उसका.
चल इसी बारे तू हंस लिया ना.
मैं कहाँ हंसा, मैं तो आर्टिफिशियल हंसा.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, वो आर्टिफिशियल था.
कितना घटिया जोक था तेरा वो. But the point is, actually, I'm talking about the fact that Indian cinema actually has given us some wonderful looking up or role models when it comes to IT.
IT, yeah.
Yeah.
Like artificial intelligence.
IT is information technology, Fatrani. Artificial intelligence comes in part of it. AI comes under it. Okay, so like how we have over here, right, in Hollywood, you have tons of movies talking about hackers, talking about this technology, that technology, talking about even, for the matter, action movies having technology in them.
Correct.
Right? Like that they use, like for instance, the MCU universe, where Iron Man, right? Technology. Right? Full,
yeah.
Iron suit and everything.
Yeah.
वैसे ही हमारे देसी pride में है हमरे. We actually have to be proud of this particular movie which actually talked about all artificial intelligence.
अबे यार आलतू, तू इसके बारे में बात कर रहा है. मैं नेक्स्ट एक और टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बात करूंगी नेक्स्ट. मैं तेरे को बताती है. जब लोग हाँ you know, so if you're saying about body suits and everything, right, even the technology that is used to make masks, you know, like वो क्या प्लास्टिक सर्जरी में कुछ और मोल्ड बना के वो.
But first and foremost, let us see if Bandus can identify the particular movie I'm talking which has totally AI in it.
तो कौन
एक नहीं, दो नहीं, actually 3 फिल्म आए ऐसे.
हाँ 3
फिल्म आए ऐसे. नहीं 3 नहीं. उसी फिल्म का 2 वर्जन आया.
एक फिल्म के 2 पार्ट्स आए.
एंड एक फिल्म का एक पार्ट में चला गया ऐसे ही.
हाँ लेकिन वो फिल्म like was a...
Hey, well, actually, let's put it this way. There have actually been 5 movies that actually talk about artificial intelligence. Right? Artificial intelligence. So think about it and give us a call here. 408-912-2479. No, alien technology does not come under artificial intelligence. Please get that out of your head. So Krish won't count.
Yeah, तो आपको कॉल करना है 408.
Like having a radium lava lamp on your table, thinking, oh, energy coming from there is not going to work.
No, that's not going to work.
No. Talking exactly about technology. Logic, machine learning, all those things.
Yes.
Right? There have been movies that way. So think about it and give us a call here. 408-912-2479. I'm talking about AI, actually the real AI kind of a thing, where the machine learns from itself, itself, right? That kind
what
of
about satellite and all that?
Faltodi, like the Chand and everything, huh? Chand, फिर निकला.
नहीं रे.
Then?
वो वाला सैटेलाइट नहीं, मैन मेड सैटेलाइट. तो कितनी बार बताओ, भगवान का टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं, अपुन का टेक्नोलॉजी. हाँ हमें बना के रखा है ना नमूने को कह रहा है.
We are a product of Bhagwan. Even satellite is product of Bhagwan only, right?
Yeah, but it's not directly made by him, right?
There's nothing indirectly is given. Anything for the matter is not directly made by man also, right?
Hey, whatever. That's why I don't trust anything that's made by man.
Why are you sitting on the chair, Father? Please stand up.
Why?
Why are you wearing those clothes also in the first place?
Excuse me? What?
They're also man-made, by the way. All lady, women-made. Or probably where you buy from, children-made also.
Now you're like shaming me for my sense of fashion.
आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के टेक्नोलॉजी ट्यूसडे में. Who's this? Hi.
Pam Pam.
मीनाक्षी जी. कैसे हैं आप?
एकदम बढ़िया. आप लोग बताइए कैसे हैं?
हम तो फर्स्ट क्लास है, मस्त है. वीडियो देख के तो हमको आपके सुपुत्र पे बहुत प्यार भी आ गया.
Oh.
Yeah. God bless him. Seriously, very nice. Thank you so much for the wonderful message.
Yeah.
Thank you.
हाँ.
हाँ जी.
अभी डाइवर्ट मत करो टॉपिक को.
हाँ मैं नहीं करी, आपने शुरू करा. मैंने थोड़ा सा शुरू करा.
हाँ भटको मत अभी आप.
भटको मत.
प्रणब जी बोलते हैं भटको मत. हाँ. आप टॉपिक से भटको मत. ये बताओ, ऐसा फिल्म बताओ जहाँ पे AI का मतलब आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड ऑल टेक्नोलॉजी ना, कंप्यूटर्स का सब कुछ सब सही तरह से यूज हुआ है. कौन सा फिल्म?
एक तो शाहरुख खान की रावण.
Oh my God! Do you wanna be my? क्या गाना उसमें?
You wanna be my चमक चलो.
नहीं यार, उसमें एक अच्छा गाना है.
कच्चा गाना है?
एक या 2 अच्छे गाने हैं.
मुझे और कोई गाना है.
ये चमक चलो ये है, और एक और गाना है. ओ मेहरबान.
हेलो. ड्राइव टाइम शो पे ऐसे गाने मत बजा कर प्लीज. अच्छा criminal.
With the beady going pop pop pop.
ऐसा गाना लगा तो सही में.
It's criminal. What? Your booty going pop pop pop. ये वाला.
Excuse me.
Oh my God.
Everybody's going back home right now. Don't they require inspiration?
No, there's a nicer. So darling, darling, stand by me. That's a better song.
क्या I know it's a nice song, but it's a slow song. Yeah, come on. Meenakshi
जी से पूछते हैं.
She wants into a fast song, right?
You play both the songs. Let's see if she knows.
Wait,
have you seen the movie? Meenakshi, she doesn't like Shah Rukh. Oh, dekhi thi. Okay.
Who told doesn't like Shah Rukh?
She told us she doesn't like.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't like Shah Rukh?
She told us, Ray.
Really? Oh my God, really? You don't?
नहीं उसकी मूवीज तो देखती हूँ ना जो मूवी
हाँ exactly movies देखती है ना फालतू नहीं she might not have met Shah Rukh Khan know him no
yeah I'm not a fan of Shah Rukh ऐसा नहीं है कि doesn't like
नहीं it's okay
statement so yeah
no don't worry Meenakshi ji it's okay it'll take some time to upgrade taste it's fine doesn't matter what that's what he will say I didn't say that he will say that right hey but Meenakshi ji I'll tell you what आपको choice दिया जाएगा रावण से कौन सा गाना सुनना चाहते हैं आप
गाना
नहीं पता आपको जो अच्छा लगे आप वो
नहीं एक काम करते हैं आपको दो आल्टो एक गाना लगाएगा मैं गाना लगाऊंगी थोड़ा आप बताओ कौन सा बेटर है ओके
ओके तेरा गाना पहले लगाएं
तू फर्स्ट तेरा लगा
मैं लगाऊं तो सुनिएगा ये गाना थोड़ा सुनिएगा ओके व्हाट अ पार्टी एटमॉस्फेयर ना ऐसे ही होना चाहिए गाने चीयर्स यस देखा उठाते गिटार डांस वैंस का मूवमेंट वाह I can already see Meenakshi dancing.
Play a little bit more, man.
She's dancing.
Play the.
देखो हंस रही यहाँ पे.
Hey, लगा गाना.
अरे उन्होंने किस भी मार दिया यहाँ पे. She likes the song.
लगाना.
Okay, fine.
उन्होंने क्या किस मारा? कुछ नहीं मारा.
कैसा लगा आपको अच्छा लगा
वेट
रुको ठीक आपने ठीक है बोला
नहीं play the actual lyrics let her listen to those lyrics and let's see
okay सुनो
तुम ना
what is unbelievable movie actually for me? Software engineer doing all these kind of dances.
Yeah. Why?
If a software engineer dances, their joints will go pop.
I know a software engineer, a network engineer, and a graphic engineer, whatever you do, that color graphic specialist, who also does this kind of dancing, who also does a lot of singing, who also
Don't tell me, is that guy also born November 2nd?
Yes.
And also very awesomely handsome?
That I don't know. I'm not going to say anything.
Excuse me, complete the whole description. Well, she's Meenakshi wondering who's the guy?
Yeah.
Meenakshi ji is talking about me.
So, it is possible.
I do booty popping, yes I do.
Oh God!
What? It's fine.
Oh God! Okay, Meenakshi ji, वो गाना आपने सुना, ये गाना सुना.
उनको अच्छा लग गया already. She's very happy with the song.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Wait. Meenakshi आपने decide कर लिया क्या?
अरे आप
नहीं मैंने कोई कुछ decide
नहीं आप बैठे हो
सुना ही नहीं है.
Meenakshi, are you standing or sitting?
No, I'm sitting.
Okay, good. Are you sitting on a couch or on a regular couch?
Why?
Regular chair couch.
She's not going to fall asleep.
No. I'm telling you to get cozy. Like, get a pillow and a blanket and start sleeping right now. ये गाना आएगा ना अभी. अब लगा.
What? He's so bad. Horrible fellow. Here you go. Hey, stop! Idiot.
It's like somebody trying to yawn and all that.
Don't mess up my song. Play it, man.
When the night has come and the land is dark. When the night has come. When the night has come and the land is dark. And the moon is the only light. And the moon is the only light. And the moon is the only light. We will sing. Darling, darling. Oh,
बस हो गया.
Hey, play man.
Wait, she's laughing. Hello, she wants to say something.
Wait man.
She wants to say something.
अब कोई भी लफ्ज़ नहीं पढ़कर देखेंगे 100 किताबें 100 दफा दिलदारा दिलदारा रट्टी करता जग सारा दिलदारा दिलदारा मेरे नजर कदम पे सब वादा दिलदारा दिलदारा जब जीता जब कुछ से हारा दिलदारा दिलदारा
Hey, why you cut the song back?
नहीं बस तेरे को गाना ना इसलिए तेरा गाने कीड़े चल रहा ना आजकल. हाँ, okay, you know मीनाक्षी जी, you don't have to.
मीनाक्षी जी आप बताओ.
आप टेंशन ना लो. मुझे मालूम है क्या सुनना चाहते हैं आप.
Let's see. आप बताओ.
She's in a happy mood. She will listen to my song, not your sad song.
Why it is not a sad song?
No, yeah, it's not a sad song.
क्या रद्दी पर बोला? क्या रद्दी का मतलब मालूम है ना? Garbage.
है रत्ती भर का जग सारा.
रद्दी भर के जग सारा मतलब whole world. He's talking about रद्दी. Whole world is filled with रद्दी is what he's saying. सुना करो, कान साफ किया करो.
हाँ, और तुम्हारे सब बूटी है.
जड़ी बूटी की बात कर रही हूँ. जड़ी बूटी की बात कर रहा था. तो क्या सोच रही तू?
हाँ, मेरा तू भटको मत. तू बोला हमेशा ऐसे टॉपिक से भटक जाता है तू.
अभी क्या? You want मीनाक्षी to support your song. मीनाक्षी जी आप जो करना करो यार.
नहीं बताओ.
Okay, fine मीनाक्षी.
I'm gonna favor or support शंकर महादेवन song.
हैं?
हाँ, शंकर महादेवन नहीं तो गाया ये. आपने फालतू गाने से लगाया.
नहीं
वो शफकत अमानत
था, लेकिन हाँ शंकर एहसान लॉय का कॉम्पोजिशन था वो.
नहीं विशाल
शेखर का. एक्चुअली कोई कनेक्शन नहीं शंकर. हाँ ये गाने में शंकर एहसान लॉय है. क्रिमिनल.
No, that's also विशाल शेखर. Same movie, waste fellow.
देखो दोनों
वैसे भी आपने दोनों गाने लगा तो दिए.
हाँ.
नहीं अभी कहाँ, मेरा गाड़ी तो और बाकी है. क्रिमिनल का 2 स्टैंजा बाकी है.
अच्छा.
इसका तो खत्म हो गया ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे.
नहीं.
हाँ देखो 3 मिनट का गाना 1.5 मिनट लगा दी ऑलरेडी.
अबे 4 मिनट का गाना है.
क्या फायदा लगाने में. छोड़ो.
अरे डोंट पुट मी ऑन स्पॉट. आपको जो लगा.
नहीं आप डिप्लोमेटिक बने.
हमको जो लगा हमको स्पॉट पे लगाना है.
श्योर. हमें आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, आप डिप्लोमेटिक मत बोलो. आप अब दिल से बोलो आपको कौन सा गाना अच्छा लगा. मुझे 100% मालूम है एक गाना तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा.
हाँ.
वो आप पे निर्भर है कि क्यों.
अच्छा एक I'll make it easy for you. I will not feel bad if you pick her song.
I'll make it easy for you.
She'll feel bad if you pick my
song. I'm not going to make any promises.
Okay, फालतू रानी वाला.
Very good. That's right. That means under she liked my song. That's okay.
No, that's not true.
हम ऐसे जी लेंगे. Don't worry मीनाक्षी जी.
क्योंकि मैं अगर आपको सपोर्ट करूंगी तो फालतू रानी बोलेंगी कि हमेशा आलतू बाबा को सपोर्ट करती है.
हाँ exactly. नहीं I understand totally. आप अंदर से मेरे सपोर्ट करें, बाहर से उसको सपोर्ट करते हैं.
नहीं It's okay. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. वो गाने के लिए भी मैं डांस करूंगी, इस गाने के लिए भी डांस करूंगी. अलग-अलग किस्म का
डांस है लेकिन.
हाँ exactly. Thank you very much.
हाँ लेकिन आपको कौन सा गाना पसंद आया मोर जो आप बार-बार सुनोगे?
तेरा गाना.
हाँ आपका गाना.
हाँ.
Thank you.
अरे मीनाक्षी जी is a person who's romantic. She definitely like your song only.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Oh, so you also like the song. Be quiet.
मैं कब ना बोला फादर. I want to keep you happy mood always. हाँ फादर नहीं या. और फादर good job.
Don't patronize me, आलतू बाबा.
अभी वैसे मैंने एक ही मूवी बताई थी, आपने 3 मूवी पूछी थी.
Yes बताओ.
इंटेलिजेंस पे.
Yes.
हाँ बोलो.
Yes. Next.
एक रोबोट थी. रजनीकांत वाली.
Yes.
Correct.
And एक 2.0 जिसमें अक्षय कुमार.
Very true. And आप बताइए टेक्नोलॉजी क्या यूज की थी वहाँ पे इन रोबोट?
ये इतना डिटेल में मुझे नहीं पता.
रोबोटिक्स.
हाँ ठीक है रोबोटिक्स.
सिंपल AI रोबोटिक्स सिंपल. What?
मैं IT से नहीं हूँ ना तो मुझे नहीं पता भी.
नहीं सिंपल था. रोबोटिक्स होता ना.
अरे आजकल हर एक चीज में टेक्नोलॉजी यूज होता है यार. अभी बैंकिंग ट्रांजैक्शन में भी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज होता
है. ऑल अबाउट टेक्नोलॉजी नाउ.
हाँ एक जबरदस्त फिल्म आई थी जहाँ पे टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करके एक बैंक को लूटा था.
हाँ. तो अभी मीनाक्षी जी आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया मेरा गाना चूज करके.
वेरी गुड.
लेकिन तू भी क्या याद रखेगा, तेरा गाना ही लगा.
मेरा गाना लगाओ. Because you like my song, right?
No.
It's okay, फाल्तुनी अंदर से
Because I'm going to play mine afterwards.
देखो फाल्तुनी मुझे मालूम है तू और मीनाक्षी जी दोनों अंदर से मेरे गाने को लाइक करते हैं लेकिन बाहर से कुछ और बोल रहे हैं. Doesn't matter. मुझे अंदर से मतलब I'm already
वहाँ फिर आके आलतू बाबा को अपनी बात ही मनवानी है. पहले ही बोल दिया करें हम सब कि हाँ आलतू बाबा आपका वाला ही बेस्ट है.
नहीं आप ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हैं मीनाक्षी जी. मैं तो आपको ऑलवेज लव करता हूँ. लाइक इट और नॉट आई लव यू गाइस ऑल ऑफ यू. एंड थैंक यू सो मच मीनाक्षी जी कॉल करके आप हमारा लाइफ आज अच्छा कर दिया. वरना तो आई वुड हैव बीन हैविंग टू टॉक ओनली टू फाल्तुनी. Yes. Yeah. But okay. Faltuni was happy that somebody supported her. Somebody at last supported her.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm always there for you, Faltuni.
Really?
Yeah,
Altu Baba?
Yeah.
अब my God. देखा मीनाक्षी जी कैसे क्या करे आजकल के. तू फेमिनिस्ट है.
मैं फेमिनिस्ट?
हाँ.
Of course हूँ.
नहीं.
हाँ फेमिनिस्ट तो है आलतू बाबा.
Thank you very much.
वाह अभी आलतू बाबा की सपोर्ट में आ गए. वाह.
नहीं जिस दिन एक दिन शो में आप नहीं थे और उन्होंने कुछ फीमेल टॉपिक उठाया था तो उससे लगा कि हाँ ही इज फेमिनिस्ट.
अरे आपका परख जो है ना मस्त है. आप जौहरी का आंख लेके पैदा हुए आप.
अच्छा.
She can find out people like this Faltuni. She knows.
Yeah.
Good people कैसे हैं. And उनको मालूम है क्या रेडियो शो अच्छा होता है.
अच्छा और that's why she knows what good songs are good also.
Yeah, exactly Faltuni.
Exactly.
खुश तो खुश है ना Faltuni.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
I want you to be happy.
मैं हमेशा खुश हूँ आलतू बाबा.
हाँ exactly. फालतू रानी हमेशा ही खुश है.
क्योंकि मैं उसके साथ रहता हूँ ना इसीलिए आप okay but doesn't matter. I don't want to take credit for everything. So कभी कभार कुछ तो you should leave it even to the sun and the moon and everybody else.
I'm sure you will say that the moon is rounding the earth because of
rounding the earth.
Rounding the earth. Going around.
Wait. Rounding the earth. Let me clarify that properly.
Going around the earth because you're on it.
No. The moon is not rotating. You know that?
The moon is going around the earth.
Is it rotating?
It's in orbit, man.
Is it rotating?
No.
It is.
I don't know.
Yes, it is rotating. Now you know it's fine. Okay, good.
What?
Now you know why it's rotating, right?
Okay, whatever, man. Fine. That went like a zigger for me. I didn't get it at all.
You got to upgrade yourself a little bit. Doesn't matter. Slowly, I'll explain to you.
I'm not some technology, Altu Baba. I'm a human being. I can't upgrade myself like that.
देखा कैपेसिटी है ना समझने वाले को समझ काफी है. नहीं क्या था समझो क्या है मीनाक्षी क्या था
जम्मा नहीं रे बस.
रुक ना मीनाक्षी जी टेल मी द थिंग. मीनाक्षी क्या था वो समझ को समझो समझना
समझना भी एक समझ है. जो मेरी समझ में जो ना समझे वो ना समझ है.
समझ का जो ना समझे मेरे समझ वो ना समझ है. एग्जैक्टली.
हाँ तेरे को समझ में आ गया ना. वेरी गुड.
मेरे को समझ में आ गया पता. लेकिन मीनाक्षी जी आपके लिए डांस करते हुए गाना लगाएंगे. आप और गौर जी इसके लिए साथ में डांस कीजिएगा. ओके थैंक यू सो मच.
बाय.
What is the connection with Shah Rukh Khan and Kareena Kapoor? They're very good friends, is it?
Why?
What? So many movies she's done with them, all flop movies only.
No, what? She's done so many movies.
Ahsoka, flop.
That's all. This is the other movie.
Flop.
What other movie she's acted?
Any other movie?
I don't think so.
That's true, right?
But they make a good couple, though.
No, they don't.
They do.
In this movie, one thing I like about the movie, right?
Yeah.
He actually has yogurt with noodles.
Yuck! That is so gross. So stupid it is.
And I've never seen anybody eat yogurt with noodles. Seriously.
I've never seen that. Yuck. That's
that
so
was actually
gross.
dig on all the South Indians. I'm sorry.
That was a very stereotypical.
Sorry, Shah Rukh Khan ji, I don't agree with you on this. And also,
you could have shown Thai sadam, which is like, yogurt and rice with pickles.
No, but he was mocking. I tell you one thing, he's mocking South Indians over there. Please ignore Shah Rukh Khan, totally boycott. Because even in the movie, was that the Chennai Express?
Huh.
He again mocked us. But we took it in a good stride because he said talaiva. But you know what he was talking about, right?
Coconut mein lassi mila ke.
Yeah, exactly. Seriously.
Oh, that is not Shah Rukh Khan, okay?
Oh, that is the guy.
That is Rohit Shetty.
Yeah.
And what is that guy's name? Yo-Yo the Singh.
Yo-Yo the Singh.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yo-Yo Honey Singh. He's
Okay.
the one who wrote the song.
Okay, now that you've forgotten to play that song of yours, let's go on to the next thing.
I am not going to forget to play the song. I'm going to ask a question.
I'm
See,
not
there's,
finished.
let's talk about one more type of technology.
Okay.
Social media. Let us talk about Facebook and Twitter.
Facebook and Twitter.
कौन से गाने में Facebook और Twitter दोनों यूज किया है?
Facebook and Twitter दोनों को यूज किया गया है.
हाँ.
सोशल मीडिया
के बारे में मतलब उसका जिक्र किया गया है गाने में. आपको कॉल करके बताना है 4089122479. बहुत बड़ा क्लू देंगी मैं.
हाँ देंगी तू.
ये जो अभी गाने लग रहे हैं ना, इसका कोई कनेक्शन है उससे
क्या?
हाँ.
Really?
Facebook and Twitter. There is a song which has both mentioned in it.
Very good.
Social media.
लगा डाल.
वो कौन सा वाला गाना है? कॉल करके 4089122479 पे बोलने का. Again 4089122479 पे बोलने का.
तू मंजिल है और तू ही उस मंजिल के आगे का रास्ता. दिलदारा दिलदारा ये रत्ती भर का जग सारा. दिलदारा दिलदारा तेरे नजरों कदम पे सब वाला. दिलदारा दिलदारा अब जीता जब तुझसे हारा. दिलदारा दिलदारा
बंद कर रहा.
क्या रे?
हो गया गाना पूरा. Very good.
तूने वेस्ट बंद कर दिया ना? ओके.
मैंने क्या बताया? हाँ क्या?
हाँ.
खत्म हो गया तेरा गाना रे?
हाँ ठीक है.
हाँ ओके आगे बता.
आगे क्या बताओ?
किसी को मालूम है
Facebook और Twitter. Yes, yes, yes. I got a Hall of Famer. I got a Hall of Famer. Nobody knows the song. दीपा जोराबर, मीनाक्षी, विशाल अरोड़ा, प्रणब पांडा, रंजीत सिंह भाटे साहब. आपको भी मालूम नहीं है?
क्वेश्चन को ठीक तरह से फ्रेम करके लोगों से पूछना. फोन नंबर मैं दूंगा.
मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कौन से गाने में सोशल मीडिया, फेसबुक और ट्विटर जैसे सब शब्दों का जिक्र किया गया है. 4089122479 पे आपको कॉल करके बताना है.
4089122479 नंबर यहीं पे बने जान. कॉल कीजिएगा.
4089122479 इस नंबर पे जल्दी कॉल करने का बने जान.
फालतू नहीं. ये तरह आई थिंक तरह तो आड़ तरह क्वेश्चन है.
तेरा क्वेश्चन कहाँ से हो गया रे?
Yes. Facebook, Twitter, come on. You think people know about this?
I think they will.
नमस्कार, पैम पैम आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Who's this? Hi.
Pam, this is Srinidhi again.
Srinidhi!
Hey, Srinidhi!
Srinidhi is enjoying the show, right? मजा आ रहा है?
I thought somebody will call and
Somebody.
tell the song.
Hey,
but,
no. Hold on. Srinidhi,
someone else has done, so it looks like nobody called.
Srinidhi, hold on. You thought somebody will call, but actually nobody called. But somebody probably will call after you.
Somebody called.
Somebody called?
That's you.
Yeah, but somebody called, but you.
Yeah, for us what matters
Hey,
is
but
that
everybody
somebody
heard.
is everybody.
But everybody heard.
Yeah, everybody heard.
So come on, tell us, Srinidhi, what do you think? Which song has got?
Okay, the song where Facebook and Twitter is there is the song from Fan, the title song.
You gotta sing this song, I'm sorry.
Gotta sing it.
I don't know the
मिरर में तो दिखता है दिल की मोबाइल का तो
बोलो कहाँ आया वहाँ पे?
फॉलो करो.
नो उससे पहले एक्चुअली ट्विटर पे
फॉलो करो.
ट्वीट किया, हाँ फेसबुक पे फॉलो किया, नहीं लाइक किया,
फॉलो
पे
करो
ट्वीट किया,
ट्विटर पे टैग करो, फेसबुक पे तेरे लिए गूगल का.
तेरे क्विज में गूगल को बीट कर दिया.
ट्वीट किया समथिंग.
वेरी गुड. आपको मिलता है हमारी तरफ से ढेर सारा अंक और एक गिलास पानी जब यहाँ पे आएंगे. Yes.
All right, आपने सही पहचाना. जबड़ा fan. मैंने. How did you guess that?
How did you know this?
How did you know? Because I said there's a connection.
Yeah. No,
actually first time when you actually said, while you were just transitioning from the previous song,
Yeah.
you said Facebook and Twitter,
Yeah.
Immediately struck me.
Huh.
But then I thought, okay, well, I'm sure a lot of bandus who sang this song or know this song, they would call.
Yeah.
Nobody did.
But nobody pays attention to
so
it. Yeah.
I thought, all right, see someone thunder.
Are you on the beach by any chance? A wave came by, took you away?
No, I'm out walking and then the bus just passed by.
Show off, you're walking. Father, देखा कितना
So
health conscious है?
awesome, yeah.
My
Altu
goodness.
Baba.
Yeah,
Health conscious.
I was listening to Health 360 and then I was like, hey, come on, man, come on, I should do something.
Yes,
So I
very
got
good.
up and then got onto the...
See, that's nice. Father, देखा that's what called Jabra fan.
Yes.
Very
thank
good,
you,
very good.
man. Thank you,
And
man.
thank you so much,
thank
Sindhu,
you
calling
guys.
us.
Thanks to you for bringing in such nice programs and keeping us active and healthy.
Don't.
Bas karo dono.
Hey,
Bas karo
stop.
dono.
Hey, Ajay, stop, यार, stop.
ऐसे नहीं
I
बोलेगा.
meant to say don't stop. Continue stop.
बहुत हो गया तेरा.
Okay, fine, doesn't matter.
हाँ.
Hey, but wonderful. Thank you so much, Srinidhi, for calling in over here. आपके लिए हम जबरदस्त गाना डालेंगे for sure because almost coming to close of our show.
Yeah.
सुनते रहिएगा आपके लिए एक से बढ़कर गाना आएगा भी.
That is right. Thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening, Srinidhi ji. And thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wonderful.
Almost the end
खुश?
of the show, Altu Baba.
तो खुश हो गई तू?
हाँ?
हाँ?
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
चलो एक काम करते हैं. जबरा fan से खत्म करते गाने को.
हाँ.
Because Deepa told me that she doesn't like Shah Rukh Khan, so I had to play Shah Rukh Khan song right now.
She said she doesn't like Shah Rukh Khan?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's
really?
okay, Deepa. It's fine. I'm going to give you enough time to upgrade your taste. But let's see.
Exactly.
That's what Shah Rukh Khan said. I'm not saying that, okay? Okay.
Here
But
you
right
go.
now, with this song, we're going to be signing off right now. Are we?
That's right.
मिलते हैं आपको कल सवेरे ब्राइट में वाली बन जान at around 9:45.
No, what nonsense? You're the one who comes at 9:45. Yeah, coffee, वो लेके by the time.
Sure. Wake up the bad early बन जान. I don't know what time it happens.
We'll be at 9 a.m.
Yeah, 9 a.m.
लग गई शायद तुम्हारी मेरी?
लग गई पता नहीं.
हाँ.
We should go on air by time.
You will not be able to get here. देखे?
Okay.
Okay. Good night, शब्बा खैर. And अब प्यार भरा.
तेरे क्विज में गूगल को बीट कर दिया. फॉलो करूं ट्विटर पे टैग करूं फेसबुक पे तेरे क्विज में गूगल को बीट कर दिया. मिरर में तू दिखता है, नींद में तू टिकता है, तेरे मैडनेस ने मुझे ढीठ कर दिया. तू है सोडे की बोतल, मैं बंटा तेरा, मैं तो हैंडल करूं हर घंटा तेरा. हाय रे जबरा होए रे जबरा फैन हो गया मैं तेरा हाय रे जबरा होए रे जबरा फैन हो गया ओ तुझे देखते ही दिल में